Ooh, check out this Formula One. Look at this Cougar. How about this 32 Ford?
Hi, and welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. Today we're doing a show and tell of the builds that were brought to our meeting of the Panhandle Automotive Modeling Society, or P.A.M.S for short. At the Blue Angels Model Fest last September, a couple of us realized that there were no automotive model groups in the Pensacola area. No place to get new ideas and learn new techniques and of course show off our builds. So we decided to fix that situation. With the help of John and Bob at John's Hobbies, we finally got our model club started last month with about 10 members. The Panhandle Automotive Modeling Society. We're still working on all the details like the goals and mission statements, officers, and all that stuff that goes along with it. And of course the logo for shirts and hats or whatever. You know it's not really a club unless you have a shirt or a secret handshake or something like that. We have decided a couple things. A few of the logo ideas are going to be scattered throughout this video as you're watching all these great builds that people brought in. We wanted Panhandle for the name instead of Pensacola because we want to include the other areas, Cantonment, Pace, Milton, all these little towns around us. And John's Hobby Shop is located pretty much right in the center of everything. All skill levels can join, of course. All you need is a love for building any type of model on wheels. Besides building kits, we wanted to build camaraderie with other builders and share our passions with other like-minded people. All of us build a model of something that has some special meaning to us. Wouldn't you like another place to tell that story of why you built that Pinto race car? Or the car in a movie that you've seen so many times you just had to build it? Or maybe it was just your first car. We want to learn new techniques and improve our skills so that we can come closer to making the vision of the model that we have in our head so that it looks the same sitting up on the shelves. We want to inspire others to get away from the TV and start doing something new or return to a hobby that brings enormous amounts of satisfaction. Maybe it's something you started doing during that nasty lockdown and you want to learn more. This is the best time to get started or get back into the hobby. There's so much new stuff coming out with all the new kits and bringing back old favorites every month. Plus a whole new industry of aftermarket stuff like wheels and tires and engines and decals, figures, anything else that you might want to add to your model. If this sounds interesting to you, and you've enjoyed watching all these great builds, why don't you make your way down to John's Hobby Shop on March 23rd at about 1 o'clock and sit in on a meeting. Bring one of your own models and share it with some new friends. Or just stop by John's Hobbies anyways and see what a real old-fashioned hobby shop looks like. Thanks for watching, and I hope you got to enjoy all these wonderful pictures. Come back soon to Pappy Tinkers.